I am Sydney Rhoads from Macomb, Illinois. I just graduated in May with my bachelor's in Speech Pathology and Audiology with a minor in American Sign Language, and now I am a first-year grad student in the Speech Pathology department. Being born and raised in Macomb, I grew up going to football games, tailgates, basketball games, and I was even a WIU cheerleader for Halloween one year. My parents are both non-traditional students. My mom graduated from here with her nursing degree in 2012, and my dad graduated with a degree in general studies in 2019. As an undergrad, I was involved in a lot of things on campus. I was in the Phi Sigma Sigma sorority, I was in Rockython, and I was in WISHLA, which is the Western Illinois University Student Speech Language Hearing Association. Those allowed me lots of leadership roles, lots of experiences to be able to meet other students, to connect with faculty more in the community. So graduation this year was really special. Not only was I graduating with such high honors, but I also got to graduate with my brother, who earned his MBA, and my cousin, who got her bachelor's in general studies. So it was a really special day for my whole family to be able to celebrate so much and so many people at the same time. I chose to attend Western because of the scholarship opportunities and the speech pathology department. Amanda Silber and Julie Cox run an amazing department here. Amanda in particular, she has been so amazing, so encouraging, but she also holds you to a very high standard. She knows that her students can achieve big things, and she expects you to achieve those things. So I am one of the grad assistants in the hearing clinic. I am taking clients in our hearing aid room. So we help people either give them consultations for hearing aids. We do troubleshooting for them if something doesn't seem quite right. In grad school, I'm really looking forward to having more experience with clients one-on-one, being able to figure out where exactly my niche may be in the field of speech pathology, and help the community at the same time, be able to help those that need it while I'm still learning, so I'm learning right alongside of the client. I received the Nappenberger Watson and the Corallet scholarships throughout my time here. The financial stress is something that you never realize you have to worry about until you're in college, and then when you have that lowered or taken away even, it allows you to focus on your studies so much more. Thanks to donor support, I have been able to have a lack of financial stress throughout my studies. I've been able to focus on achieving academic success and being the best I can be in the classroom and in the clinic. Being from Macomb, it's made it a very proud moment for not only me, but also my family, that I have been so successful here at Western, being able to help my hometown community with not only with the clinic, but also with fundraising and different philanthropy efforts through my sorority as well. I have a love for the town. I don't foresee myself ever going too far from Macomb.